Welcome to
Chona's kitchen. Today we're gonna make pickle ice cream.
very
I'm
good.
trying to do nothing totally yet.
Okay, do all things holy. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to Offense Holly. Today we're gonna do pickle ice cream. First you put this in. Here. Put this in here a little bit. Then this you put in here. The last one is this, guys.
You have to say what's.
Then you have to put the chili in there and pork. Then this is milk.
Coke? No, it's not milk. It's a. What's that? Oh, you're gonna drop cocoa.
Cocoa.
Coconut cream.
Coconut cream. I put in here. Then next is bawang. You need your spatula and put it there. Then is sibuyas. And the one day you turn to your own channel. Then when you're old enough, you turn to your own channel next time. Then now it is feed dot this.
Careful with the oil. Okay.
There we go, guys. Now it's time to mix it up. Then you can let me mix it. Okay, now let's test it out and put it in the oven. There we go, for 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Take it out the oven. Okay, now it's time to mix it. Today you can mix it up a little bit. Oh no, guys, look at this. That's fine. Okay, now, oops. I did it, guys. I'll be back in a second. After you rub it, actually you have to wash it. Now it's washed. Here it is. Now it's washed. And let's this. Now it's time to put this in the bad boy. There it is, guys. Now it's time for just this, guys. One day you can do your own channel. Then you can, if you want. Oops, the boys are nice here. Hurry up, guys. You started mixed it. One day you can do your own channel. Then next is this. Okay, now guys, and where you can mix it up for 1 minute, then now you need this. That's very good smell, guys. Bawang. Oops, you need a spatula. It can't come out. Finish this all. Then you can mix it up. Oh, oops. How about this one? I will mix it up. How about I'll mix this up? Can I, Mama, can I put my spatula in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can mix it up. One day you turn to your own channel. Today, just see Mom's spatula. This Mom's spatula day. One day you turn to your own channel. When you're big, you turn your own channel. Then you fry this. In the morning first you need to get for real. Okay now guys, now we have to put in the oven. Wait, I just need Mom's spatula then. You'll always be dark guys. Today we can wait one day. There guys. Okay, now time to put in the lunch. Here's the oven, guys, right there. While we're waiting, I'm gonna mix it up and while you're singing. Now I'm gonna mix it up. One day, I'm gonna sing Let It Go. Let it go, let it go. Thank you. Then I turn to your own channel, you think. While we're waiting, we have to talk. Because the boy's always here. So you can't sing. Because the boy is almost here.
Where's the boys?
Oh, the boy's at school, guys. One day the boy will come back.
Can we?
Okay, guys, now today we don't put this in here.
You have to hurry up because we're gonna film
Okay, now guys.
Chona's kitchen.
Now, don't put this in here. And this, guys. Then now it's time for put this. Am I here? Oh, this is gonna be so good. I'll be so good. The question, oh, it's almost getting dark, guys, so we have to be quickly. So, guys, we're gonna mix it up down the street. Then you mix it up like this, guys, like a carrot. Like a hotel. Like this, guys. This is how you made it. Oh, I forgot to do that camera, but that is fine. I just need Mom's thing. I don't. It's too much thing. Sorry guys, I'm busy. Okay, now I'm gonna do cameo. Okay, now it's time to mix. Now I'm putting it mix. Then it's time to put in the oven. We are almost done, guys. Here's the oven. Now it's finished. Time to eat, guys. Now it's time to eat. Put this back, guys, because Mom has done do his own channel. How we got? Okay guys, can you watch my vlog? Bye! See ya! Don't forget to watch Orphans Holly. Okay, bye! Then you gonna do your Orphans Holly. Then when you're old enough, you gonna do your Orphans Holly. Bye! It's done, guys.
Are you done? Can we film now?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.